Real estate millionaire Robert Durst has been arrested and charged with the murder of Susan Berman. It occurred 15 years ago in Los Angeles. A potential key piece of evidence in this upcoming case against Durst are his own admissions that were picked up on a microphone that Durst may not have realized was recording his statements. Here to help us understand when it is legal to record someone with or without their knowledge, attorney Dan D'Agostino from the law firm of Martin, Harding and Masadi. This whole Durst case is fascinating, and he had a microphone on. He was taping something for HBO, and he apparently said on that microphone, if you listen, "I killed them all." A pretty damning statement to make.
I still can't believe it myself when he said that, but you know, it happens.
Yeah, what about this whole idea of recording somebody, and when is it legal? When can you, when can't you, Dan?
Absolutely. Recording something is always the best way to memorialize, you know, what has been said. It's on recording. There can be no dispute. However, what viewers need to understand is that when you are recording, who has to give consent to the recording. In New York State, what we go by is if there's two parties to a conversation, one of the parties must have knowledge and give consent that you are recording them so that it could be used in a court of law.
What if you wanted to record a conversation that you were not a part of? Does that work?
Well, that's kind of what happened here a little bit.
Yeah.
What they're going to be looking at is, did anyone, again, the same rules, did he have an understanding he was being recorded, and did he give consent to them recording what he had said?
Are there any other situations where you'd have to get everybody's consent before making any kind of recording?
There's, I believe, 11 states in the United States currently that have what's called the two-party consent rule. What that requires is that everyone that's involved in the conversation have knowledge and give consent to the recording. And if you do record people on a private conversation and they have no knowledge of that, you could get in a lot of trouble criminally for doing that.
Well, say you want to record something, or you want to protect yourself in some way by a recording. What do you do to really make sure that you don't get in a lot of trouble?
It's a great question. The viewers, what they should know, if you are going to record, know the laws of the state, but most importantly, tell the person that you're trying to record, hey, we're going to be recording you, have them give their consent over the recording, and everything will be fine at that point.
I think that probably is the reason most people don't want to,
right.
don't want to ask for consent, because they probably think they won't get it.
I agree. I agree from there.
All right, Dan, thank you so much.